What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I promise you this one will be really short and spicy and also extra cheesy. So I'm going to be experimenting on some cheesy bread pull-aparts. I guess that's a good word to call it. But we're going to be using this Pillsbury biscuit dough thingy that we bought in the store. And some pepper jack cheese, also some cheddar cheese, some scallions to garnish, and yeah, I've never tried this recipe before, but I'm just gonna work with it and figure out something and make it all delicious. So join me on this journey. Let's go. Alright, so what I want to do at first is, you can go ahead, cut up your cheese. I got the pepper jack here. I cut it up really. It's about ½ inch by an inch. Also the same thing with the cheddar cheese. Go ahead, cut it up in some cubes. And we're gonna take our buttermilk biscuit here. I'm gonna go ahead, cut that in half. And I'm just gonna make a ball. Right? And you press it out. And then we're gonna put the pepper jack at the bottom. Put cheddar cheese on top. And then probably another pepper jack on the top too. And then we're just gonna like fold this over, turn it into a ball, round it up a little bit, looking like that. Back is all sealed. And then we're just gonna continue making them until it's all done. So first, remember, go ahead, you press this out, and you put in your pepper jack cheese. Then a piece of cheddar, another pepper jack cheese on top, and then you go ahead and stretch this over. And then make sure everything's nice and sealed, and then ball it up. Cool? So now we're just going to continue until this whole stack is done, and then I'll show you what to do next. So now I have all the biscuits with the cheese in them looking all nice. What we're going to do is take a pan, and we're gonna put them in there, and make sure you don't grease the pan, because the biscuits are pretty buttery already, so you don't need to. So just go ahead, arrange the cheese biscuits in the pan. Pretty. So now that we have them like that, what we're gonna do is chop a little bit of scallions right on top. We're gonna put this right on top of it. Just to accent the cheese and everything else, and also as a garnish. Just gonna go ahead, put that over. And then what we're gonna do is put a little bit of honey. So got a little stickiness to it. Just put a little bit of honey on top. Some paprika. Have a nice red dust on it. Pretty. And then last but not least, we're just gonna go ahead and shred some cheddar cheese right on top. So now we're just gonna put this in the oven and bake at 325 for about, let's say 14 to 15 minutes. So next time you see me, it'll be all cheesy. Fresh out the oven and ready to be devoured. So let's begin. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that cheese running out of there. Ooh, that's so lovely. Try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. And until next time, little more.